mula Pangasinan hanggang Davao. Maging sa Metro Manila at Karatig Bayan, iisa lang ang pangalan na patuloy na pinagkakatiwalaan ng pamilyang Pinoy sa nakalipas na mahigit 30 taon. Camellia. Binibigyang katuparan ang pangarap ng pamilyang Pinoy na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. It was back in the 70s when Philippine Senate President Mr. Manny Villar founded Camellia in response to a market need for housing lot packages that the average Filipino family can afford. Pioneering what is now known as the mass housing industry, Camellia never wavered in its mission to provide families with quality homes that last in locations that are accessible, conveniently situated, in communities that are master planned and beautifully landscaped, with amenities that enrich the well-being of families and whose real estate value appreciates over time. There are a number of reasons why. First, Camellia is a Filipino family's brand of real estate. An independent research study revealed that Camellia is the leading choice of real estate brand, both in terms of awareness and preference. Second, Camellia is conveniently located. May Camellia Homes and Communities sa Cavite, Las Piñas, Laguna, Teresa Rizal, Caloocan, Valenzuela, Taguig, Makati. Meron ding Camellia sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas, mula Pangasinan hanggang Davao. Third, Camellia is affordable. There is a Camellia home that fits every budget, every lifestyle. A choice of financing options are available, kaya madali lang ang magkabahay Camellia. Fourth, Camellia's 30-year track record. No other real estate company comes close to the depth and breadth that Camellia has in building homes and communities that appreciate in value over time. And fifth, the homes of Camellia. Here's a portfolio of Camellia homes to choose from. Efficiently planned, spacious, built with best value for money, planned for the way you want to live. And Camellia continues to innovate, to evolve, remaining true to its pioneering spirit with its Camellia Prestige. A brand dedicated to developing properties geared for those looking for more upscale and inner city developments. There's one in Taguig, and another in Makati right across Don Bosco.
Gising na,
maliwalas na kapaligiran, panatag na loob, katuparan ng iyong pangarap, buhay na matiwasay, hatid ng Camellia.
Pangarap na inasam ang makakamtan, buhay na maunlad ang natutupad. Dito sa Camellia, handog sa pamilya, sariling tahanan, simpleng buhay, hatid kay saya, puno ng kulay, taglay ang ganda.
This is Camellia Homes and Communities today. Pioneering, experienced, responsive. Ang pangalan na patuloy na namamayagpag sa puso't damdamin ng libu-libong Pilipino. Di lamang dito sa Pilipinas, pati na rin sa iba't ibang lupalop ng daigdig. Kaya naman mula noon hanggang ngayon, ang Camellia pa rin ang paborito ng pamilyang Pinoy. Camellia, unmatched, unparalleled, unrivaled.
Simple lang, madali